In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste image Notion. If you want to quickly add an image from the web into your Notion page, this is a simple method that only takes a moment. We'll be copying an image from a Google search and pasting it directly into Notion, so make sure both pages are open and easy to switch between. Start by going to your Notion page. Open the page where you want the image to appear and take a second to think about the exact spot where you want to place it. This helps make the process smoother once you're ready to paste. Next, go to Google search and have your images ready. Search for the image you want to use, then browse the results until you find one that fits your needs. It's a good idea to make sure the image is clear and relevant before copying it, especially if you're using it in a document, notes page, or workspace that needs to stay organized. Once you've found the image you want, right-click on that image. This will open a menu with several options. From that menu, click on Copy Image. Be careful to choose Copy Image rather than copying the page link or the image address, because you want the actual image itself on your clipboard. After that, go back to Notion and click into the area where you want to paste the image. Make sure your cursor is active in the correct location on the page. This is important because Notion will place the image wherever your cursor is positioned. Now paste the image using your keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and V. On a Mac, press Command and V. After you do that, give Notion a moment to process the image. In most cases, it should appear directly on the page. If the image doesn't show up immediately, just wait a second and make sure you clicked into the page before pasting. Also, some websites may handle images differently, so if one image doesn't paste properly, you may want to try another result. And that's it. That's how to paste an image into Notion using a quick copy and paste method from Google search. It's an easy way to build out your pages faster without manually downloading and uploading the file.